Now we learn the sex corticoids. These are also called as the gonadocorticoids, and they may be both male hormone and the female hormone. The male hormone are called the androgen, and the female hormone is called the estrogen. So actually, both the hormones are secreted in both males and females. Now, male hormone is androgen is more, and in estrogen is less, and in female androgen is less and estrogen is more. And this hormone develops the axillary hair, the pubic hair, the mustache, and the beard. Now, these deficiency diseases or the excess of these diseases results in Addison's disease. It is the deficiency of aldosterone. Now, gynecomastia, it is the excess of estrogen in male. Adrenal virilization, it is the androgen in female excess. And Cushing's disease is the excess of glucocorticoids. Now, testis is one pair present in the scrotal sac of the male. It has a dual function. It is both a primary sex organ and it is also an endocrine gland. And it is composed of seminiferous tubule and interstitial cells. These are present in the tubular spaces inside. Now, Leydig cell or the interstitial cells, these are present in these intertubular spaces. And it produces a group of hormone called the androgens. And this produces a group of hormone called the androgens. And these androgens, they are mainly testosterone. And the function is to regulate the development, maturation, and function of male accessory sex organs. Mind it, male accessory sex organs. What are these accessory sex organs? These are epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and the urethra. And these hormones, they stimulate the muscular growth of facial and axillary hair, aggressiveness, and low pitch of voice, etc. Now, it has a stimulating role in the process of spermatogenesis, that is the formation of the spermatozoa. It forms the spermatogenesis, and the androgen acts as on CNS and influence the male sexual behavior. Libido is called the libido. This androgen acts on the CNS. Now, these hormones produce the anabolic effect on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. Now, the female sex organ is the ovary. These are the primary female sex organ. These are primarily female sex organ, and it is located in the abdomen, and it produces one ovum during each menstrual cycle and produces steroid hormone. The steroid hormones are the estrogen and the progesterone, and it is composed of the ovarian follicles or the stomatal tissues. Now, growing ovarian follicle, it secretes the estrogen. Now, after ovulation, what happens? This ruptured follicle is converted to the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes the progesterone. Okay. Now, what is the functions of this progesterone? Now, it supports pregnancy, it acts as mammary glands, and it stimulates formation of alveoli. This is a sac-like structure which stores milk and milk secretion. Mind you, it is not the alveoli of the lungs. So, I write it is important. This alveoli, you might be confused. What is alveoli if it is given? The function in case of sex organs. So, don't be confused in the exam. So, remind it. Now, function of the other hormone, that is the estrogen. We have learned about progesterone. Now we will study about estrogen. So, estrogen has various activities of female sex organs. The development of the growing ovarian follicle, it helps in development of the growing ovarian follicle. The appearance of the female secondary sexual characters, example, high pitch of the voice as it grows, and that helps in the development of the mammary gland, and it also regulates the female sexual behavior also. It regulates the female sexual behavior.